Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got shrimps. That's right, a subscriber of mine wanted me to make a po' boy shrimp. Alright, and today we're going to be making you guys a Mayo fried Cajun shrimp po' boys sandwich. Alright, so here's my shrimps. These are like some jumbo shrimps, and I have them soaking in milk. Okay, I've been letting them soak for about a day in some milk because I don't like a lot of fishy taste, so it takes a lot of that out. So if you guys don't like a lot of fish and the fishy taste, milk does take all of that stuff out of there. Okay, all right, so for our dressing and stuff like that, we're gonna go with this Asian chopped salad mix right here, little kit right here. See if you guys can see that. All right, so that's that. We're going to use that. We're going to use a tomato. This is a beef tomato. We got some Parmesan and Romano right here. And for our bread, we're going to go with the Toronto bread. All right. And we got some Cajun, Tony Cesar, or whatever. I can't even say it right. Yeah, so anyway, we got that. All right, we're gonna use that. And we have some DOGGS. I've been seeing a lot of my people have been using DOGGS. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I've been using helmets for years, but never tried DOGGS, but I like it. It's okay. I did use it on a previous recipe. It's some ribs that I made. Okay, some lemon pepper mayonnaise ribs or something, deep fried ribs or something. And also I have like this Cajun right here, just to give it some flavor, guys. All right. Now, in this bowl right here, I have some flour and all this stuff. I have some pepper. Like what this? Let me just tell you, I got like a cup and a half of flour right here. I have like a quarter cup of starch, and I have some the seasoning that I got in here. I got some garlic, and I have some black pepper, and some of this Tony's. All right, so I only put like a quarter teaspoon of all of them seasoning in that bowl. All right, but if you don't want to make up your own, you can always go to the store and get you some of this. If I can show it to you. All right, there you go. Some Cajun fish seasoning, whatever, breading. You can use that. I was gonna go ahead and use this. I changed my mind because I may want to use this for some fish or something. If you ain't noticed on my channel, you don't see me cooking too much fish. But I will, if you need me to cook some fish or whatever like that, I will. I don't like fish that much. I like pollock and walleye. Those are my two main fishes. All right? Okay, so I think we got everything out the way. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take these tails off of these shrimps, because we can't cook those on there, okay? Because you don't want to bite into the sandwich and you bite into a piece of shell, okay? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to drain this up. And we're going to go ahead and dress all this stuff in there and drench it up in there. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. All right, and here's my shrimps. I took all them tails off of there and drained some of that stuff out of there. I'm just going to come in here with my Cajun. And you're going to want to wash your hands after you use the Cajun, because it will discolor your hands. That's one package of that. I'm going to go with a teaspoon of this Cajun seasoning, just like so. Then I'm going to give this a good mix. Up in here. Up in here. All right. As you can see, it's turning right now. Yep. Just like that, guys. Now you could let this sit for a while to marinate for a second or so with the mayo on there. But I ain't got time for all that. About 2 tablespoons maybe. Mix that up in here. This is going to help that flour to bind on it too as well. I got my pot on medium. Alright, so I'm going to just take you a few of these, lay them in here. We're going to do easy does it today. So I'm just going to put a few of them in here at a time. Just like that. Then I'm going to wash my hands off. I'm going to put this lid on top of here. I'm going to shake it. Okay, just like this. See what we got here. All right. I'm going to put some more in there. So we're just going to leave this in here till our pot and stuff warm up with the grease. I'm using today some vegetable oil. I know I normally use peanut oil, but I put all my peanut oil in my deep fryer. And I'm not going to put this in there because I don't want my other food to taste like shrimps or fishy stuff or whatever. Okay, we're going to shake this up. All right. Put the rest of these in here. All right. Now that's what we get right there. All right. So now I'm gonna take you guys over there and we're gonna fry this up. I got my little thing right here to scoop them out with, and let's get it going in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. This should be ready. Yep. All of them, just give them time if I can. They don't take long at all to cook. Just gonna let that fry up. Don't mess with it, don't go in there touching it or nothing, just let it fry up. Alright, in about 2-3 minutes, I'm going to take that out and show you guys what we're working with in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done with these. This is how they look. Now I'm going to tell you something. When you're using that mayo, don't overcrowd them like I did. That's why they're looking like little pieces like that. Okay, don't do that. Just put a few of them in at a time. Alright, because you don't want to do that. Because it's got moisture in the mayonnaise. Alright, let me go ahead and we'll start working on that salad in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So I decided to go ahead and make my own little sauce because they got this other little Asian sauce in the bag. And I don't want to use that, okay? They had some nuts and like some little chips or something in there. I ain't going for all that. So anyway, I'm going to use some of this rice wine vinegar. I'm gonna use some more of this Tony's, some Tabasco sauce, and some Mayo. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some of that in there. We don't want it overwhelming. And some lemon juice. So let's see, probably about that much. We'll get like a teaspoon of this white wine, just like that. Come with the lemon juice. Bring everything together. It's like a teaspoon of that. What else? We got the Tony. Put that in there. That's like a half teaspoon. Just mix this up. Now, since some people don't like spicy, I'm not gonna put the hot sauce. I put a couple dabs in there, but I like to put it on the sandwich itself. That's enough of that. Put a pinch of sugar in it. That's it. I was gonna put some salt in it, but that Tony's got a little salt in it, so we don't need to do that. Alright, so that's how that looks. Okay. Put that to the side. Now here's what you want to do. You're going to take this salad mix stuff. You're going to put it in here. On a bun. Like so. That bad boy got a lot of carrots in it. Just like that. Just over here. I'm just gonna put these shrimps on top of here. Jam pack them. And we'll just take hot sauce, put a little dab on there. Like that, guys. Take your bread, put that on top. And I may do this again because I don't really like how this one really turned out. So I'll deal with it for now. Alright, that's what we have so far. If you guys can see that or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up on the plate, and I'll show you how the presentation looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry I forgot the tomatoes and I forgot the cheese to put on top, okay? But there it is. Mayo fried Cajun shrimp po' boy sandwich. And this is how it looks up close. We'd like to turn it all the way around. And that's it. This is a wrap. So, if you guys, please, if you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, that's right, you heard me, hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.